Hello guys, my name is Atul Devkar and today our video topic is object and classes in Java. So object and classes is the object oriented programming technique. We design a program using the object and classes. So an object is in Java is the physical as well as a logical entity, whereas a class in Java is a logical only. So what is a object in Java? So object is an entity that has a state and the behavior. It is also known as the object. Example: chair, bike, marker, pen, table, car, etc. So it can be physical or logical. So terrible on the individual. For example, of an integral object, it is the banking system. And bank has a three characteristics. Sorry, an object has an three characteristics: state, behavior. So first is state represent the data value of an object, and behavior. Behavior represent the behavior functionality of an object such as a deposit, withdrawal, etc. And third is the identity. So identity is an object identity is typically implemented via unique ID. Their value of the ID is not visible to the external user. However, it is the used internally by the JVM to identify the object unique. For example, pen is an object and his name is a Renault. Color is a white known as the state and it is used to write, so writing the behavior. An object it is an instance of a class. A class is a template or a blueprint from which is object are created. So an object it is the instance of a class. So object definition is a object is a real world entity and object is a runtime entity. The object is an entity which has the state and behavior. The object is an instant of a class. So next is a what is a class in Java? So a class is a group of objects which have a common properties. It is a template or a blueprint from which uh, classes are created, and this is a logical entity. It can be physical. A class in Java can obtain the methods, fields method, and a constructor and blocks. So next nested class and interfaces. So instance variable. Next topic is instance variable in Java. A variable which is created inside the class but outside the method is known as an instance variable. Instance variable doesn't get the memory to the compile time, and it is get the memory at runtime. When an object of instance is created, that is why it is known as an instance variable. So next is a method in Java. In Java, a method like a function which is used to expose the behavior of an object. So this is from my side. Thank you.